सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। I keep the sequence so I don't. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tashaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva.
I think this is a very beautiful prayer, Tameva Mata.
I know. So
Since childhood we've been saying it.
and in chapter 9 of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Bhagwan told Arjuna that I am the father, I am the mother, I am the grandsire, like that. Because when you talk about Nirgun Brahma, sometimes people get, God, there is no love there or what. So then he wanted to get all these nice relationship and he's saying, I'm that,
It's easier, no, to
yes, easier,
build up.
easier to have a relationship. Otherwise, feels too dry. Okay, so
इसीलिए गोपियों को इतनी जल्दी ज्ञान हो गया ना.
right.
But Gopiyan were all rishis from
Yeah,
previous
they
time.
were all rishis, and then that what's his
Actually,
name? His friend. He had to send him to him to get the gyan. Right? Remember that story?
हाँ, उद्धव की.
Uddhav ko.
Yeah,
Uddhav.
right.
Uddhav
Uddhav, I
story.
remember.
Can we turn up the heat a little bit?
Yeah,
I don't know why.
I have on 70.
This
Make it
guy,
72.
yeah,
No, I have made
Yeah,
it.
we all need a little warmth here.
No, I have put 72. It's 70.
I forgot that. Did we do 18 or not? We can just review it because the Bhagavad Gita. Either we start from 19 or 18, but there's no harm in reviewing one more time something.
You said you'd get me a book.
Yes, and it was, I almost was going to get it but I went to Chinmay Mission after 2 weeks and their window is very small for the bookstore because they are all volunteers.
Okay.
By the time I went there, but I will get you.
That's okay.
Yeah, I haven't.
But it
forgotten.
must be in 2-3 different sections, no?
No, I'm going to get her the big
Gita?
fat one,
अच्छा.
which is like one in everything. This is individual. But if you want to have one, then that's the one to have. So I'll just repeat this. We may have done it.
Sure.
This is verse 18. I may have chanted already. So for him, there is here no interest whatever in what is done or what is not done, nor does he depend upon any being for any object. He's talking about the sthita prajna or the person who is established in Turiya state. So remember we had the whole chain of thought that how to work in what you call yagna spirit and all that. That is a path, and selflessly work towards the betterment for everyone. And then he was talking about the person who is established, that how he finds complete satisfaction and joy in the higher. So our goal is to find that ultimate bliss and happiness, and the reason we work is because I can get happiness with this, that, but this guy is already established. But one of my acharya in the last class in Chinmaya Mission said something very nice. She said that then what could be the motivation of a self-realized person to act? So one is that welfare of the society, and he's doing out of compassion. And the other point that she made was such a good one. She said that because he's in a human form, and also it is the nature of the Brahman to express itself. You can't help but express yourself. It's like you throw a seed in the ground, it is going to become a tree. It is going to have flowers. It's not going to care whether somebody comes there or not. The flowers are blooming even in jungles. So this
And
person,
it is going to give chaya.
exactly. So
Uska
it's
to wo
like,
nature hai.
and then she gave a very good example. She said, look at a new mother, and if she has a little daughter, वो डॉटर को चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, वो उसकी बाल बनाएगी, बो लगाएगी, ये करेगी, वो करेगी, because she's just so full of joy, she just want to express it. I thought that was such a good point.
That
that
was
these
such a good
people
way of putting
it because they do so much work.
Yeah.
They're doing it not because they can gain something or they can gain some name, fame, money. None of that.
It's just for the joy of doing
Joy of doing it because they have the energy and they just want to share it over the world. And if you see, I thought I have to share this point with all of you. Because I thought it was a very, very beautiful.
It's very beautifully
Also,
said.
he does say in Gita that I have everything available when he told him that I am God, you know.
And he's saying,
He
I
said,
don't
I
need
have
to do
everything
anything.
available, I don't need to do anything.
But I'm still doing it.
But I'm still doing it so that people know and they follow me
They follow.
as to what they should.
In fact, that is verse is coming
वो
here
आदि
also.
योगी का भी तो यही हो जाता है कि पार्वती tells him and then फिर yoga starts.
Right. So basically, the Brahman has so much potential. It always bursts into creation because it's like sun when it comes out. It is going to give light and heat.
Yeah, and that life
That's
is
it.
going to come
Yes.
into being.
Exactly, exactly. So I think that otherwise, first question we ask is, फिर वो काम क्यों करे भाई? If he got everything, no, he's doing it out of joy.
It's a different word altogether.
Yes. So when they say that he has no interest and all that, we should not take it negatively. It's just that worldly things don't bother him.
Right.
कुछ हो रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं हो रहा है तो ठीक है. Because I heard that, when the mission got really big, some people told Chinmayanand oh, what will happen, and what will happen after you leave? What will happen if people stop coming, they don't come? He said, नहीं आएंगे तो we'll close the door and go. What's the big deal? He said, Bhagwan wanted me to do this, I'm doing it. Then maybe he doesn't want me to do it, so...
उसमें भी ठीक है.
Exactly.
उसको कराना है.
So it's like other people were getting all hyped up, कि क्या करेंगे, क्या नहीं. He's saying there's nothing to do it, and if it doesn't work, stop and go. Go do something else.
वो सब लीला करके देखता है फिर. वो तो fulfilled हो गया तो वो सब
Exactly.
बाकी सब लीला देखेगा.
And then when whatever they
तो
do,
लीला
it
में ये भी है,
benefits.
ये भी है, ये भी है, ये भी है, ये सब लीला है.
Right, exactly. So, okay, the next verse now, 19. And the verse is Tasma dasakta santatam karyam karma samachara asakto hyacharan karma paramanokti purushaha. And the translation is, therefore, now Krishna Bhagavan is telling Arjuna, therefore always perform action which should be done without attachment, for by performing action without attachment, man attains the supreme. So now he's telling that through karma yoga you can also attain the supreme. I'll just maybe read there's only one paragraph of Swamiji's commentary, then we can discuss it.
Therefore, always perform actions which should be done without attachment. For by performing action without attachment, man attains the supreme. We have already noticed that Krishna presupposes no knowledge in his friend, nor does he trust upon Arjuna bare statements that are to be blindly believed and silently swallowed by him. Proselytization is not the technique of Vedanta. Hindus are strangers to it. Even strong statement of fact is preceded by a line of logical thoughts explained at length. Till now, Krishna was explaining the wheel of action, and after exhausting the exposition of his entire theory, he, in this stanza, is crystallizing his conclusions, encouraging Arjuna to act. Therefore, always perform actions which are obligatory in your present social status, in your domestic situation, as a member of your community and the nation. Even here, Krishna is repeating his warning to Arjun that he must be careful in all his activities to keep his mind away from all dangerous attachments. The Lord has already explained how attachments directly help to form tendencies in the mind and deepen fresh vasana impressions within.
Okay, so that word I was trying to look up, I think it's like, what is the spelling of that word? S-E-L-Y.
Yeah, this word.
S-E.
This is the word.
Yeah. It says the act or fact of becoming, the state of condition. I don't know what exactly. I think it means that how you in the other some of the other religions, they just don't know what they are doing, why they are doing, because
They
somebody said
separate.
it.
Actually, they separate. They say church things, let it belong to church, and home thing, other
No, I
things
think
to-
that more than that, what I'm trying to say
they
is
put
that,
it in
that you
boundary.
just follow because it Bible
Yeah.
said. That's it. No questions asked. Whereas they are saying in Vedanta, a lot of freedom is given. You can ask questions.
No, because the whole of India is nothing but, people look at India as something gross. India is actually something very subtle.
Yeah,
It is the energy, it is the whole energy of seeking. There's no, in none of our books is there anything ki ye karo ya ye na karo. It just says, the person asks. All our scriptures begin with a question.
That's why saying that
So
whole
they're all that everything is of seekers.
and
we-
Upanishad is like a
If you don't
conversation
ask, you
start.
remain ignorant.
Yeah. So you first believe, and then if you have doubts, clear them, and then it will only you can own it. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it will be like totally
Yeah.
useless.
Actually, when I went to Hardwar, remember Sikri Sahib gave me
Huh.
so I stayed there 1 week. So I was talking to the head there. He's very good.
You went to
Hardwar, that ashram, the one who did the Bhagavatam at your place also, the same person.
नहीं सेम
ज्ञानानंद।
राकेश जी नहीं वो दूसरे होंगे
Gyananand ji.
हाँ वो उस
He's young guy
अच्छा
and he owns that lodge ना जहाँ पे हम रहे थे. So he has written a book on women also role in society and all.
हाँ he had come to a house also I know
Yeah, I know. So
who
he
you're
told
talking about.
that
I've
everywhere
forgotten
you
the
look in Vedanta,
school of thought but
because he says, when I went talk to him, he says, I never give any advice to anybody because that is useless. It goes
Unless
over.
they come to him.
Yeah. No, unless they ask the question. And
Question.
if you look at all our Vedanta,
That's how it
they
is.
all are questions are asked and then they give the answers.
Answer. And here in Bhagavad
So-
Gita, Krishna Bhagavan kept totally silent in
Yeah.
chapter 1 because
Right.
Arjun kept talking.
Right.
Finally, Arjun came to the conclusion,
Right.
My mind is confused, I can't think, you are my guru, I'm your chela, please
Right,
help me.
right.
Then he started talking.
Yeah,
And then he gave him enough chance
right.
to ask. And here the reason Swamiji is bringing this up, because first he told him the whole reason why you should do selfless act. All these verses, we are already at 19. Then he tells him that you should perform action without attachment. He didn't tell this first. He first gave the whole logic that what happens and when the Srishti was created, how the elements are working in non-attachment, this, that, and that's how you prosper. And then he gave him the whole Yagna spirit logic, and then now he's telling him, therefore you should do without attachment.
the other word they use is in life में पूरा involvement because when you involve yourself completely, then you're free of that action. Like for example,
I think that what you are saying, that I heard that statement
Sadhguru.
Yes, you know what he said?
From Sadhguru,
Don't
which is-
entangle.
yeah,
but involve.
don't entangle. नहीं पता है because the way I'm thinking it is like जैसे श्रीहरि है, हाँ, तो it is a seva that I feel that I mean is that I owe her. No?
Yes, yes.
That's why
From
she's
whatever
there.
previous life.
तो whatever it is,
Whatever the
you
reason
owe,
is.
you owe that seva. तो जब वो सेवा कर लिया, तब full satisfaction हो गया कि हो गया, तो I have got the freedom. जब वो यहाँ freedom आ गया, तो देखो वो प्रकृति से ऐसे ही उसका पूरा बन गया that she is in a residential home.
Yes. And
अगर
she
वो
is
नहीं होता,
yes, yes.
वो पूरा task खत्म नहीं होता लेने देने का, तो that thing
It would have
can't
continued.
happen.
Yes, yes. And I see what you're saying. So you did your duty. That's what you're saying.
Like, you know, you
Yes.
had to do you have
Part.
to fully act on that thing, and then you get freedom.
Get
Otherwise you won't
wholehearted.
get the
Actually,
freedom.
that is your karma.
Yes.
You have to finish off your
Huh,
karma. which
you-
will start to be-
It's
But do
very,
it with
the
joy
whole
and
thing is very
happiness.
subtle,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
all
yeah,
connected.
No, if you do it angry and all that, then
Then
you have
again
to
you're
be-
creating more
you're
karmas.
both, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You're creating more. Exactly. So I think all of us are on the same page in this. So that's why he's telling him now that, and another very important statement that he made, that if you perform your action that should be done without attachment, okay, that's the main thing, then man can attain supreme.
That's why mother used to say, you know, when she used to work for Sherry, she used to say, मेरे घर राधा रानी आई हैं.
Yeah.
Shiva
Her
Rani."
attitude was amazing.
You know,
Yes, yes.
So because she used to say like that, then I also started thinking in those terms, you know, that you,
Yeah, very good attitude.
You know?
Yes. Because karna to hai,
हाँ,
might as
करना
well
तो-
do it something that it takes you higher.
it takes you higher and
On
it
the
keeps you
battlefield,
free.
he's already
All the time it's
attached to his
keeping
relatives
making
and
you
all
free.
that. All of a sudden he tell him, you know, don't think about it.
Because he's telling him to think of the higher
Because he's
cause.
a warrior. That time
Yeah.
he's a warrior. He's come on the battlefield and he has to
Yeah.
do something.
But then because he was thinking just of his relationship, he was not thinking of the whole society
Yeah.
and his job
Yeah.
as a person, one from a royal family. That's what it was. So the moment we start thinking lower, we are going to be stressed. When you think higher, you will know what to do.
when you
in-
do
yeah.
some good for others,
Yes,
you know, that's
yes,
where
yes.
it helps.
So then we'll do one more verse because that's where what you said
Yeah.
comes in picture. He tells him, let me just do the Sanskrit. Karmanaiva hi sansistham. No, sansadhi. Never mind. I'll just read it because once I lose it, I lose it. Karmanaiva hi sansidhi.
No, you were reading it so well.
Asthitam janakadaya.
Read it.
Okay. Lokasangrahamevapi sampashyan kartumarharsi. I'll practice a little more from home and come because for me also it's a learning experience and you guys are helping me to chant because I'm also not so very good at it. So the translation is Janaka and other attain perfection verily by action only. Even with a view to protecting the masses, you should perform action. So he's giving the example of Janak Raja. We all know he was Atmagyani, right? From our stories that we have learned. But he was also a king. So they call them Raj Rishis. So basically he's saying he Janak jaisa bhi jo itna kaam kara usko, he had to fight wars, he had to take care of everybody and all that. He still attained perfection by action only. So because Arjun's thing was, if you are telling me that knowledge is better than action, then why don't I just go sit under a tree and meditate? Why do I have to go fight this war? So he's saying, no. For you, this path is the right one. And see, even Janak got the. So how we tell our children, देखा उसने किया तो तू भी कर सकता है. Like that. That's what it's coming down to over here. And then even with a view to protecting the masses, you should perform action. So he's appealing to him that you think that, oh, you'll be killing your relatives, but you're protecting the masses. You know, that's why you should perform. So how Swamiji explains that first he gave him the highest knowledge, but he could see from Arjun's face that wo pura convinced nahi hua hai. So then he started bringing him to the lower levels. He's saying from the worldly perspective also you need to fight. Highest तो मिल गया तो definitely, but अगर तेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, so at least worldly perspective also you should do your job. I think that's where the whole thing is coming from. And then he has said that Krishna also is saying one more explanation that Swamiji gave, that you have to trust God when you get a birth in a particular environment and family, that He knows where to put you so that you can progress in your spiritual life. So
Yeah.
don't fight that. Hey, why this? Why that? No, this is right for you.
That situation you have to get out of that situation.
Yeah, you have been given this opportunity
Yeah.
for your spiritual growth. So if you're saying that respect your prarabdha. And here Swamiji is this thing. Act diligently without running away. And what was his prarabdha? He's a soldier and he was supposed to do all these things, born as a king, he has a greater responsibility towards the community than other individual members and all that. and they depend upon him for his activities so that he can do his duty and help other people. So that's what it is. So when we are given a certain situation, you have to fulfill that the best way you know. And here he says that because of the very fact that he had manifested himself as a son of his father in the family of kings, nature had judged that the most conducive circumstances in his life for Arjuna was the life of a prince, daring dangers, fighting enemies, and generally ordering peaceful and progressive growth for the society. That's his duty. So from the duty point of view also, we need to do that as well.